All right, here we go. Finally, Loot Crate time. And given that it's got to be Mal, it better be Mal, or I will reach back through the internet and strangle somebody at Loot Crate. Yeah. Anyway, I think it's going to be aim to misbehave. I think that's the theme. But before we do that, got another unboxing for you, and I don't know what this is. This is actually not mine. This is Thing 2's. But he's stationed over in England, and he decided that he wanted to get whatever this is from BBTS shipped here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this and see what we got, or see what he got, that is. So anyway, it's all right, bubble wrap. All right, BigBadToyStore.com, BBTS. Okay, alrighty. Interesting stuff here. Postcard from them. Let you see the other side as well. But okay, what do we got in here? Okay, well now I know what it is. Dark Souls Knight of Vestora, Oscar. 1/6 scale statue. Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and crack this sucker open and see what it looks like. Ooh, there's a little trading card in here. I'm not going to take that out, and I'm not going to remove it all the way from the packaging, but that is pretty sweet. I hope you can see that. I'm not going to go, like I said, I'm not going to go all the way for this because it's not mine. And yeah, that is pretty cool. So yeah, it looks like a good choice. So anyway, let me go ahead and put that back in the box. And now, if I can get it all the way in the box, there we go. Now if I can get the box back in the box. And I'm going to have to get a hold of Thing 2 and see what he wants me to do with it. Just, you know, put it in his room or actually ship it to him over where he's at in England. But we'll see. So anyway, let's set that aside and let's get to the Loot Crate, shall we? Alrighty. And handle with care. Okay. Ooh, okay. All right. Okay. Well, let's start with the obvious stuff. We have the flashcard. Dear Browncoats, thanks for being a member of the Cargo Great crew. We know you've been waiting to misbehave a bit longer than expected. It's okay. And as our way of saying sorry, we're giving you this Independence patch. Wear it proudly. Okay, where's the Independence patch? I think this is it right here. Independence patch. Yep. Right there. That's, well, I don't know. I was pretty patient, but I don't know if that makes up for it. So, we got the Serenity Valley sticker. Come here, you. And we have the Serenity Valley Veterans Pin, May 2511. I was about to say 2015, but there you go. Let me see if I can get the glare off of it. Yeah, so far so good. Isis Canyon Bellerophon. Isis Canyon Bellerophon. Hope it went well. Yes, one of the more iconic scenes from the show. Okay, let's go ahead and crack open the minifig because I do want to take a look at this and see how it looks. And of course, the dog is crunching away. I fed you. Okay, that's okay. Dogs do that. That's their job sometimes. And oh yeah, this one's nice. I like this one. Oh, come on. Come on. There we go. It's all right, yeah. Not too bad. I don't think they quite captured Mal's look as well as I was hoping, but still, it's a pretty good figure, and I do think they got his. I do think they got the spirit down on this one. So I do like the pose. It's kind of an action shot thingy, but so yeah, the face not quite Nathan Fillion, but you know what? Still pretty good. So let's get this put back away before something silly happens. And gonna go to the next thing. Well, actually, I got kind of a toss-up here. I'm wondering what this is. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one out. See what we got. Figure out how to get into it without. Oh, there we go. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, wow. Okay. Ah. Wall hanging. Little tiny blanket. Definitely don't want to use this as a bath mat or anything like that because it's not. But there you go. Hi. Yeah, this is certainly different, and it's kind of cool. I like it. I don't know what I would use it for, but yeah, this is certainly something that could get hung on the wall right away. Let's see. Hang on a second. Let's see what they're actually officially calling it here. See, this crate's theme. It may experience some slight turbulence and then explode. Well, I aim to misbehave. That's what we're talking about. So, feature brown coats. Mal's Cowboy Chili. Although I've got a pretty good chili recipe on my own, but just looking through this real quick, it looks like it would make a decent chili recipe. So, and let's see. Exclusive Serenity Beach Towel. No, it's not a very good beach towel. Seriously, it's not, and I would not use it as a beach towel because, yeah, I don't know about that. But you know what? If you are hitchhiking through the verse, well, you know what? You've got a towel to take with you. So anyway, the last thing that we have in here is another one of the Q-Craft 3D models. And this, again, I said with the Alliance Cruiser, I said more of this, please. Yeah, more of these, because this is actually pretty cool. It's a foam core. It's a foam core model with the pieces that can get punched out. It's actually, yeah, got the directions right here, and there's what the pieces look like. I'm not going to assemble this on camera, obviously, because that would take too long. Although maybe as a side project, that would work. But yeah, I like that. That's cool. I mean, not as cool as the other little Serenity ship. No, wait, actually, it is as cool as the other little Serenity ship. It's different. But again, this is the kind of thing I like. So anyway, not too bad. Although as far as a towel goes, this isn't what I would. You know what? The quality's lacking on this. I love the idea of it. It just needed to be a better product. Okay, but anyway, overall, fairly happy with this. Although again, this crates have been a little on the thin side lately, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. So with that, I guess that's about it. I've got got to figure out what to do with my towel now. Like I said, I could just certainly hang this up, in the computer room, and be very, very happy with that. So we'll see. Well, anyway, I don't know if this is going to be the last Firefly loot crate. I don't know if they're going to be publishing any more of them or not. I'm definitely going to have to find that out. And if they are, I'm going to at least see what the next crate or two looks like. If not, then I guess this is going to be it for the loot crate for a while, unless I order something franchise specific. So, and I'm kind of hoping for let's say Dragon Age or Black Mirror, or yeah, because I just discovered Black Mirror, or maybe I don't know, the Orville, which I've been enjoying. Or hey, you know what? How about a Dungeons and Dragons crate? That would be pretty cool too. So, well, anyway, I guess that's it for now. And you know, one thing too, he's got pretty good taste. And like I said, no real complaints about this except for the quality of the towel. But it doesn't have to be, certainly doesn't have to be used as a towel. So, anyway, with that, I've rambled more than long enough. So I will talk to you later. Bye.